Hello everyone, this is Manish Jain again from TrueMark Enterprises, Mumbai. Today we are going to show you one very affordable, economical, easy to operate FFS machine. Yes, this is a small, economical, lightweight, compact pouch packing machine which forms the pouch using the plastic film and fill the product after weighing it and then seal it to make packets like this. So if you are planning to operate your grocery store or supermarket, then this machine is for you. You should watch the video till the end to know more about this, because this machine is going to help you like anything. This machine alone can pack so many products, like any solid granule product, grocery product or grain product like wheat, rice, dry fruits, whole spices, and even yes, it can pack the powder also, the powder spices or any powder which we use in the grocery stores, or not just grocery stores, of course it can pack any granular or small solid items as well as powder item. This machine have two parts. The first is a weighing unit and dispensing unit. Second one is the pouch packing unit. This unit weighs the product and dispense it to the funnel of the pouch packing unit, and the pouch packing unit forms the pouches using this film and fill the product and then seal it. And this machine, especially this model which I am showing demo to you today, is a center sealing. It's a 3-side center seal, top seal, bottom seal, and a center seal. You can see this center seal. So let's don't waste much time and start with detailed explanation of this machine, how it's get operated and how to assemble it when you get this machine, and more detail we will discuss at the end of the video, where to buy this machine and what all you need to take care for its maintenance. It's very easy machine, very easy to operate. Anyone can operate without having any much technical knowledge or skills. So let's start now. Once you set the film right and both heaters are working properly to give you this kind of pouches, we can fix this acrylic guard which we shown in the previous part. Now we have fixed the acrylic guard. Now let's start filling the material. We already checked for one bag. To start the machine in the auto mode, we will make sure to press this green button, but before that this should be on. Discharge mode should be on, the flap should be on. Now start the machine in the auto mode. It is filling 100 gram. You can see in the weight pan. As soon as 100 gram is filled, it will dispatch to the pouch packing machine. Again it is filling the next cycle. Once it's filled, it will drop to pack inside. This will be working continuously. The roll is unwinding automatically. Everything is working automatically. Once one cycle is completed, the second cycle started feeling the desired weight. We can open the flap to see this. And once the weighing is done, the material is dropped in this chute which supplies the product into the bag form, and then it is cut and delivered the final product. All pouches are similar in length. Now let's see how to set for different grammage. Let's set the machine first for 50 gram. We are setting the desired weight to 50 gram by pressing the minus switch on the weigh filler. Okay, now it's set to 50 gram, but weight in the pan is already showing to 100 grams. So first packet will get for 100 gram and then only will get for 50 gram. This is the quantity of bag we have generated, we have produced till now. We can make it zero. We can make it zero from here. Okay, as we already have material in the weighing pan, we want to discharge it manually. So we will be using this manual switch. By pressing this green, we will take the film down as much length we needed, and then we will discharge the product manually and it will get fixed. So obviously this got little lengthier, but not a problem. This was just to remove the 100 gram material. Now we have set the machine on the 50 gram. So let's see for the 50 gram. Now for 50 gram, this bag length is higher. We can reduce it a little. First let's fill few cycle in the same bag, and then we'll reduce the bag length also. Start the machine again in auto mode. Now weighing machine is filling the 50 gram. We can make it fast by selecting the fast mode. So it will be working faster. You can see the speed. So every 4 seconds it is packing one bag. Every 4 seconds packing one bag means up to 15 bags per minute for 50 grams. Now if I want to reduce the bag length, I can simply stop the machine. I can simply stop the machine from here, and then I will reduce the length to, say, I will reduce it to 100 because it's 125 now. I will try and reduce it to 100. And now let's try to fill what bag length I get. In 125 I was getting packing like this. This is 3-side seal. I already told this is 3-side sealing, center sealing. This type of packing I am getting. So now with reduced length, let's try. I will again start the machine in the auto mode. Stop. So now this is the new size, and this was the old size of 50 gram, and this was the 100 gram. 100 gram in same length, 50 gram in same length, and the smaller packet. So we can reduce the pouch length. Obviously we can't change the width because the chute made here of stainless steel, this is of a fixed size. We can't change that size. To change that length we need to replace this whole thing, but as this is a fixed format machine, we don't recommend that. We will see you soon with the new video, new product. And if you want to make a video on any product or have some queries, you can also comment or email us or WhatsApp us that you want to see this machine video next time. We will surely make a video on that product. And please subscribe our channel. Please like this video if you like this the content. Please like the video, and please press the bell icon for regular updates from our channel. Thank you very much. See you soon.